In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Venza key fob to replace the internal battery at home. There are two types of this same device that work with the Venza. Some of them have 3 buttons, some have 4. It doesn't matter which one you have, they use the same battery, and the process to open it up and change it is exactly the same, so just follow along. I'm just going to be opening up this one. You will need one of these CR2016 batteries. If you don't know where to get one of those, or you'd like to get one online, I will leave a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. Now the first step is just to look up where the key ring attaches. You can see there's that little slot, kind of an indentation in the plastic. You're going to take a regular flathead screwdriver, insert it in, and do this with the back facing up, not the buttons facing up, and I'll show you why in a moment. So just insert it into that area and twist, and the back will crack right off. And now we can go in and lift out this little component in there. So under this little mat of rubber, we have the buttons that actually are kind of loose in there. And if you tip it over, they can fall out. So just be careful with that, set that to the side. And now you can see on the back, it says use coin to open, and there's a little arrow pointing right here. We're just going to use the same flathead screwdriver because we already have it out, but use a coin if you prefer. And you can see this little space here. We're just going to insert the tool, and once again, just twist, which will crack this thing open. And if this falls out, kind of like it did for me, this goes face up in the little clear plastic part, and we can just leave it in there to remove the battery. So what we want to do is right on the side here, you can see there's that little opening right here. We're going to insert our flathead screwdriver, just the corner of it, in there and pry the battery up. And it will pop right out. Let me show you that one more time. So right in that opening up in the corner there, just get under the battery and lift it up. And when you put your new CR2016 battery in, make sure the positive side is going face up, and just click it into place, face up, positive side up, and now we can just put everything back together. So set this right on top of the battery and click it into place. And now you can just pick this up and drop that right into there. Push it down so it sits in there securely, and now just click the back on there. And that's really all it takes. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever are changing a battery in any of your other key fobs, remember that we have video tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every device from every make or model, so you can always check those out, and you can also see that information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.